Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. Let's kick off the new series today. In 2026, Databricks renamed Delta Tables to Lakeflow Declarative Pipeline. It's not a new product. It's the same engine now built into open source Apache Spark. The old way was import DLT. The new way is from pyspark import pipelines as DP. Almost everything else, how you create tables, how you write transformation works the same way. Just with the new names in this series, I will show you all the new side by side so you can move your pipelines over with confidence. What is the goal? This video answer one question. How do you create a delta table in Lakeflow? Give it a descriptions and table properties and control its schema instead of just letting Spark guess. I will show you a batch version and a string version, both old and new. Okay. What is it our scenario? Okay. First of all, batch scenario. In batch scenario, imagine a CSV file. Okay, let me focus on the code. Okay, yes. So you can see batch DLT in left side and lake flow sorry, yes, batch lake flow in right side. Okay, let me explain the scenario. Imagine a CSV file with the customer data lands in a folder every day. Oh, we want to turn that CSV into a real delta table with a name, a comment explaining what it is, some table properties, tags for governance, and a defined schema so Spark doesn't guess the data type. Okay, look at the top of the boost files, left side, import DLT. Okay, here, and the right side from PySpark import pipeline as DP. That's the first changes, and you will see it in every file, all series. Below that, boost files define the same schema, 5 columns, 5 types. Okay, here and here. They are same. This part is just plain PySpark, nothing changed at all. Now the decorator, left side DLT table, DLT table, and right side is DP materialized view. Why materialized view? Because inside the function we are using a spark.read, a plain one-time read, not a stream. In Lakeflow, a plain read always pairs with the materialized view. Inside the parentheses, name, okay, is a name, comment, and table properties. Identical on the both sides, nothing to relearn here. Inside the function itself, read the CSV file, apply the schema, read the header, also identical on both sides. The only things that move in this entire files is one word: table become materialized view. Okay, and now a stream scenario. Now the same CSV folder, but this is time we don't want to fully reread every time, or we want Lakeflow to notice only the new files that land and process just those. That's a string table. Same important change at the type. DLT become pipeline as DP. Okay, this is and here and here. Uh, this time the decorator stayed. Oh, sorry. Yeah, and this time the decorator stays DLT on the left hand and DP dot table on the right hand. No changes here and here. Because a streaming target was always called table in boost version inside the function spark that read stream format cloud files. That's an autoloader completely unchanged between the old and new. Same options, same folder paths. So here is the takeaway for this whole video. If you are doing a plain Spark that read, you now write materialized view. If you are doing a Spark that stream, you keep the writing the table. That's the entire decision. And finally, that's table creation, schema, and table properties in Lakeflow. One real rename to remember, and everything else stays the same. Codes links below, and in next video, we will talk about what happened when the table you want to use already exists. Thank you for watching.